Have you ever had one of those days where everything seems to go wrong? Well, let me tell you about a particularly memorable day in my life when everything seemed to be against me. It started with my alarm clock malfunctioning, causing me to oversleep and scramble to get ready for work. As I rushed out the door, I discovered that my car had a flat tire. Frustrated but determined, I hailed a cab, only to realize I had left my wallet at home. With no money and running late, I decided to take the bus. Of course, just as I arrived at the bus stop, it started pouring rain. I had no umbrella, so I stood there, soaked from head to toe, waiting for what felt like an eternity. Finally, the bus arrived, and I clumsily stepped inside, leaving a trail of water behind me. As luck would have it, the bus was packed, and I found myself squished between two people, my wet clothes sticking to me uncomfortably. As if that wasn't enough, I realized I had left my lunch at home. Hungry and drenched, I resigned myself to a day of vending machine snacks and empty stomach grumbles. Throughout the day, everything that could go wrong did go wrong. My computer crashed, I spilled coffee on my shirt, and I even managed to trip over my own shoelaces while attempting to grab some papers off the printer. By the time I finally made it home, I collapsed on the couch, exhausted and defeated. But instead of wallowing in self-pity, I started to laugh. The absurdity of the day and a series of unfortunate events were just too comical to ignore. Reflecting on that day, I realized that life doesn't always go as planned, and sometimes the best thing you can do is find humor in the chaos. While it was a frustrating experience at the time, looking back, it provided me with a valuable lesson in resilience and the ability to find joy even in there. So if you've ever had a day where everything seems to go wrong, just remember, you're not alone. We all have our moments of chaos and mishaps. It's how we handle them and find laughter in the absurdity that makes life a little more enjoyable. Remember, the next time you find yourself caught in a whirlwind of misfortune, take a step back, breathe, and find a reason to smile. After all, the best stories often come from the moments we least expect.